The Quantum P Scalping V1 strategy for MT4 is a Forex system which makes use of price bands and oscillators in order to signal traders to potential long and short positions. The Quantum P Scalping version 1 trading system makes use of custom indicators. However, despite this fact, the Quantum P Scalping version 1 trading system is relatively easy to understand and easy to trade as a result. 1-minute scalping with Fibo Quantum Channel is the update of a previous post, but we thought of creating a new one because updating is important. The update I do it is the key to success of the strategy. This method of quantum scalping should be applied to couples who are in quiet moments. This is the key of success with this strategy that can generate many pips. So how do you find couples with relative low volatility? Go to https://www.mifsbook.com/forexmarket/heatmap and choose the heat map tool and choose the currency pairs that approach 0% oscillation in the 4 hours prior to the scalping session. If during the session the heat map strength value exceeds 35%, stop the session at the end of the cycle. Within the 0 plus 0.4 oscillation the cycle's all close. Between the value 0.4 and 1 the cycle's close but with multiple operations. Greater than 1 do not trade. Time frame 1 min currency pairs with heat map value close to 0. EUR, NZD, AUD, avoid GBP, JPY are also recommended when using numerator. MetaTrader 4 Indicators Fibo Channel 1000 bars periods Quantum Indicator 300 periods. Trading rules Quantum 1-minute scalping with Fibo Quantum Channel by Quantum Square below the lower channel heat map near 0 and less than plus 0.4 sell Quantum Square above the upper channel heat map near 0 and less than plus 0.4 profit target 5 to 8 pips for each trade but close everything on reaching the first target. Max trades 15 in the same direction. Close session trading when the value P of the heat map is above at plus 0.4. In examples prior to the trading session, the heat map P value for your CAD and Autist was close to 0. The main indicators used on the price chart are 4 instances of the non-lag TMA indicator. These indicators are responsible for plotting the price bands that you see. These price bands indicator help you to determine both the direction of the trend and the momentum as well. In short, the price bands indicate to serve the purpose of acting as a trend filter indicator too. The next indicator on the main price chart is called the Quantum P indicator. This is the indicator that is responsible also for plotting the price bands. However, these price band indicators are the ticker lines that you see. In most cases these lines are not visible on the price chart. These lines are only visible when you notice that there is a strong market momentum. In the first sub-window, we have another custom indicator. This indicator behaves similar to that of the Arun oscillator. These oscillators are ideal in signaling to the trader the strength of the market trend. Therefore, this trading indicator perfectly complements the price bands indicated that you see on the price chart. These bands combined with the custom indicator in the sub-window helps you to easily pinpoint what the market is doing. Despite the use of all custom indicators in the Quantum P trading system, this is a relatively easy to use Forex trading strategy which even beginners and professional traders will find it enjoyable to use. Let's now take a look at how you can trade long and short positions using Quantum P Scalping V1 for MT4. Fibo Quantum Scalper is a unique Forex indicator based on the age-old Fibonacci sequence of the golden mean. Its creator Carl Dittman is an experienced trader, teacher, coach, and speaker. In his beginnings as a trader he lost money, almost gave up but leveled up his trading game. His consistency in trading over time helped him amass a fortune out of Forex. Scalping is one among the methods traders use to reap profits. A 1-minute scalping strategy is a good starting point for Forex trading beginners. But, this demands pure concentration and a lot of time. A trader needs to dedicate a few hours a day to achieve this. Why the program was developed. The purpose of creating Fibo Quantum Scalper was the love for Forex and was a chance to change the lives of students and their families. Other reasons include help prevent loss of money and blind trades, help others have a clear understanding of Forex trading, teach the fundamentals of trading and use of trading tools, change the minds of those thinking of Forex as a gambling game of sorts. Fibo Quantum features Fibo Quantum Scalper software. This software helps the investor avoid risks associated with scalping and losses. It has inbuilt features that safeguard investments. Also, MT4 platform pop-up alert with sound. You can be anywhere you want, but you get a trade alert, and you place the trade right away. A beginner-friendly user guide. Easy to read. The user guide has no jargons or industry words and phrases to confuse you. Carl Dittman is serious, extremely serious about customer service. That is why you can directly email him at carl@carldittman.com. He assures his clients of the soonest possible response. Fibo Quantum is the best way to do your scalping. As best as it is still work in progress. As its user, be assured of real-time updates once Carl and his team find a way to make it more accurate. You will get instant email alerts of new trades. Mobile phone push notifications. If you trade from your phone, you place and close trades once you're alerted. Fibo Quantum Scalper is based on the age-old Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a special sequence of numbers that can be found in nature.